myself Divyani Shukla, your SST teacher, and today I am going to start your chapter number 6. So, chapter number 6, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. So, can you understand by the chapter name Greenland, the land of ice and snow? So, Greenland is the land which is covered with ice and snow. That is why we are calling it the land of ice and snow. It is the world biggest, or we can say world largest island. It is the largest island in the world. It is very close to the up to the North Pole. So let's begin with this chapter. Build up. Fill in the crossword with the correct answers based on the clues provided. So you have to fill the crossword with correct clues. First is the highest mountain in the world is, can you guess? The highest mountain is Himalaya. Himalaya. Now, the first topic of the chapter is the land of ice and snow, which is Greenland. Greenland is a fascinating place covered in snow and ice. It is the largest island in the world and is located far off north. Close to the North Pole, Greenland is near Canada and ice, making it a unique part of the Arctic region. Let's learn about this icy wonderland. So Greenland एक fascinating place है because it is covered of snow and ice, and it is the largest island in the world. It is located far off north, close to the North Pole. Greenland, Canada और Iceland के पास located है. That's why it is a unique part of Arctic region. So let's learn more about its location and size of Greenland. Greenland is a massive island and its size makes it its largest island on Earth. It is located in the northern part of the world, almost touching the North Pole. Greenland is surrounded by icy waters and it is close to Canada and Iceland. Its location is in the Arctic season gives it a very cold climate. So Greenland एक massive island है and because of its size it is considered as the largest island on Earth. It is located in the northern part of the world, almost touching the North Pole. Greenland icy water से surrounded है और ये located है close to the Canada and Iceland. इसकी location Arctic region में है जो कि इसका climate बहुत ही cold बनाती है. Means it experiences a very cold climate because of its location in Arctic region. Now let's talk about the climate of Greenland. Greenland has a polar climate, which means it is extremely cold throughout the year. Most of the land is covered by a thick layer of ice that has been there for thousands of years. So it experiences a polar climate, means extremely cold throughout the year because of its location in the Arctic region. इसकी जो लैंड है वो कवर्ड होती है एक थिक लेयर ऑफ आइस से दैट हैज बीन देयर फॉर thousands of years. The weather is freezing and the ice sheet covers about 80% of the island. Summers are short and cool while winters are long and very cold. This icy climate makes Greenland a unique and challenging place to live. तो वेदर जो है यहाँ का कैसा होता है, फ्रीजिंग होता है और आइस शीट जो है वो आइलैंड के 80% एरिया को कवर करती है. Summers are short and cool while winters are long and very cold. The icy climate makes Greenland a unique and also a very challenging place to live. Now the next heading is icebergs. Greenland is famous for its icebergs. What are icebergs? Icebergs are large chunks of ice. बड़े-बड़े pieces of ice. Big pieces of ice. Icebergs are large chunks of ice that break off from the ice sheet and floats in the ocean. तो icebergs क्या होते हैं? Large chunks of ice जो कि ice sheet से break off होके ocean में float करते हैं. They look like the giant mountains of ice and are both beautiful and dangerous. They are beautiful and also they are dangerous. And they look like giant यानी कि big mountains of ice. Ships must be very careful while sailing near icebergs because they can cause accidents. So ships को बहुत careful रहना चाहिए because of icebergs while sailing near icebergs because they can cause accidents. They are beautiful, also they are dangerous. Next heading is plants and animals in the cold. What type of plants and animals survived in this type of environment? Let's see. The freezing temperatures in Greenland make it hard for plants to grow. Only small plants like mosses and lichens can survive in this cold climate. In this cold environment. So केवल small plants जो हैं, for example like mosses and lichens, ही सर्वाइव कर सकती हैं इतनी हार्श कंडीशंस में. देयर आर नो बिग ट्रीज और फॉरेस्ट इन ग्रीनलैंड. ग्रीनलैंड में कोई भी बिग ट्रीज और फॉरेस्ट नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ हार्श कंडीशंस. डिस्पाइट द कोल्ड, some animals have adapted to live here. Examples are reindeer, polar bears, and Arctic foxes, which have thick fur to keep themselves warm. Seals and whales live in the icy waters around Greenland. These animals are well situated to survive in the harsh Arctic climate. So ये जो animals है जो यहाँ पे survive करते हैं ये well situated है अपने environment के हिसाब से. Now it's the time of act and learn. Complete the words with the help of given pictures. So you have to complete the words by the help of given pictures. First word, what will be the first word? Greenland. G-R-E-E-N. Green, L-A-N-D. Greenland. Like this you can do the remaining words. Now the next heading is the people of Greenland, which is called the Inuit. So the people living in Greenland is called the Inuit. The first people to live in Greenland were the Inuit. So the first people who survived or were living in the Greenland were Inuit. The Inuit are strong and skilled at surviving in the cold. So Inuit are strong people and they are skilled to surviving in the cold. They hunted seals, whales and fish for food. वो अपने food के लिए seals, whales और fish को hunt करते हैं. They made their clothes and homes from animal skin to keep themselves warm. So वो अपने घरों को किससे बनाते हैं? From the animal skin. And they also make their clothes from the animal skin. The Inuit have a deep respect for nature and have passed down their traditions for generations. तो Inuit एक डीप रिस्पेक्ट रखते हैं अपने नेचर के लिए और उन्होंने अपने ट्रेडिशंस को अपने जनरेशंस के लिए भी पास ऑन किया है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज लाइफ इन ग्रीनलैंड टुडे. सो we have studied about the Inuit which lived in the earlier times. Now what is the life in earlier times in Greenland? Let's talk about that also. Life in Greenland has changed a lot over these years. Today people live in modern houses and have access to schools and hospitals. तो आज लोग modern houses में रहते हैं and they are access to schools and hospitals. Machines are also used to help with hunting and fishing. Even with these changes, the people of Greenland still honor the traditions of Inuit. चेंजेस के बाद आज भी ग्रीनलैंड के जो लोग हैं वो अपने ट्रेडिशंस को ऑनर करते हैं. ग्रीनलैंड इज द प्लेस वेयर मॉडर्न लाइफ एंड एंशिएंट ट्रेडिशंस कम टुगेदर. तो ग्रीनलैंड एक ऐसी प्लेस है जहां पे मॉडर्न लाइफ और एंशिएंट ट्रेडिशंस का एक ब्लेंड है. नाउ द नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज इंटरेस्टिंग फीचर्स ऑफ ग्रीनलैंड. First is icebergs, large floating chunks of ice that break off from the ice sheets. Icebergs क्या हैं? Large pieces of ice that break off from the ice sheet. Polar climate means extremely cold weather with ice covering most of the land. Polar climate यानी कि extremely cold climate. Wildlife, animals like polar bear, reindeer and seals that have adapted to the cold are called wildlife. Inuit people who are Inuit, the first people of Greenland known for their survival skills in the Arctic climate. Now, last topic of the chapter is taking care of Greenland. Why do we need to take care of it? Because we should respect the nature and we should also respect the traditions which were given to us by Inuit people. Greenland is a beautiful and fragile place. To protect its unique environment, we should keep the icy waters clean and free from pollution. तो first way we can take, हमें icy waters को clean रखना चाहिए and free from pollution. We should respect the wildlife and their habitats. We should learn from the Inuit about living in harmony with nature. तो हमें अपने Inuit से कुछ चीजें सीखने चाहिए, how to live with harmony with nature, and we should also respect our nature. I hope you have understood the topics explained by me. Now let's begin with vocabulary. Polar climate means extremely cold weather near the poles. Icebergs, large pieces of ice floating in the ocean. Inuit yani the indigenous people of Greenland. Igloo, a house which is made up of ice and snow. Mosses and lichens, small plants that grow in the cold regions. Now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. Greenland is a fascinating place covered in ice and snow. Greenland is a massive land and its size makes it the largest island on earth. Its location in the Arctic region gives it a very cold climate. The weather is freezing and the ice sheet covers about 80% of the island. This icy climate makes Greenland a unique and challenging place to live. Now exercise time, think and answer. Take the correct option. What is Greenland mostly covered with? Forest, B. Ice and snow, or C. Desert? Option number B is correct. Which animal is not found in Greenland? Polar bear, reindeer, or lion? Option number C. Lion. What are icebergs made of? Rock, ice, or sand? So these are made of ice. Option number B. Who were the first people to live in Greenland? Vikings, Inuit, or Romans? Option number B. What is the climate of Greenland called? Polar, tropical, or desert? Option number A, polar. Now the next exercise, fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Greenland is the largest island in the world. The Inuit people build igloos for their shelter. Icebergs are formed from breaking glaciers. Greenland has a polar climate. Polar bears have thick fur to stay warm. Now the next exercise, tick for the true and cross for the false statement. Greenland is located near South Pole. Is it true or false? This is incorrect. Icebergs are dangerous for ships. Yes, this is true. The Inuit people hunt seals and whales. Yes, this is also true. Greenland has many forests. No, it has small trees, small bushes. The Inuit have a deep respect for nature. Yes, this is also true. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. I hope you have understood it well. Now we'll meet in the next class with some new chapters. Till the time, keep learning, keep doing great. Bye-bye, students.